Algorand's EMA especially shows a descending pattern, which truly is genuinely critical. As far as ALGO support floor, it in a real sense is currently 29 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. ALGO especially rose 0.17% in 7 days. Sort of additional appearance how Algorand's EMA especially shows an essentially descending pattern in a kind of huge manner. Algorand in a real sense is as of now esteemed at 15 cents the 4th of June 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for all things considered 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly certainly clarified pressing issues. What especially is momentary cost expectation for Algorand. Fundamentally is ALGO a generally excellent speculation, which generally is genuinely critical. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on, which certainly is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the ALGO specialized examination, fundamentally let us in a real sense discuss the kind of current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,149,802,649,559, showing how Algorand explicitly is by esteemed at 15 cents the 4th of June 2023. In this video we will really walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and truly attempt to answer these regularly especially clarified pressing issues. What essentially is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Algorand. Sort of is ALGO a very wise interest in an extremely huge manner. The kind of all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $19,987,677,932, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07% in a for the most part huge manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13, following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time period, or so they especially thought. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, basically is up by 3.45 and right now exchanging at 54 cents, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a sort of significant way. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market especially is going in an especially descending course for truly present moment, exhibiting how ALGO truly rose 0.17% in 7 days. Exceptionally further appearance how Algorand's EMA essentially shows in every way that really matters, descending pattern in a fundamentally significant way. Right now, a kind of broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which essentially is genuinely critical. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So the in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume essentially remains at $19,987,677,932 in a huge manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers certainly become more especially dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which dealers by and large move fundamentally dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Algorand in a real sense is by esteemed at 15 cents the 4th of June 2023. In this video we will walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified some things. What truly is essentially transient cost expectation for Algorand. Explicitly is ALGO a very wise interest in a significant manner. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand. Algorand execution. The essentially current Algorand cost in every practical sense is 15 cents, with an exchanging volume of $19,543,468 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the ALGO specialized examination. Fundamentally, let us sort of discuss the truly current economic situations, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Presently, ALGO for the most part is up by 0.61% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,102,822,610 USD. Or so they thought. Algorand Value Examination. ALGO Cost Examination for the 4th of June 2023 inside an everyday time period generally made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize kind of relative strength index, moving truly normal union and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including most certainly straightforward moving pretty normal and dramatic moving truly normal, to sort of break down the future development of the algorithm, showing how support truly is a level at which purchasers truly become kind of more by and large dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The Algorand especially has by and large break all its for the most part upholds levels, and things by and large are not looking sort of great for the crypto market, which generally shows that the extremely all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $19,987,677,932, which basically is very huge. As of now, by and large bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively explicitly take ALGO cost underneath the essential help level of 29 cents, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. While ALGO's Williams percent R pointer basically is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. An exchange extremely signal by and large is in every way that really matters conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging profound into the ALGO specialized examination, for the most part allowed us for the most part to discuss the especially current economic situations in a fundamentally huge manner. The ALGO USD moving kind of normal combination and disparity pointer truly is demonstrating an especially present moment truly sell sort of sign, as the MACD line truly is moving beneath beautiful sign line, which essentially implies in real sense bears sort of a ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how Algorand's EMA really shows a sort of descending pattern, or so they truly thought. The in every practical sense, relative strength file shows that the ALGO coin certainly is close oversold zone, as RSI especially is at 31, which explicitly shows that similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which merchants basically become move kind of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how Algorand by and large is as of now esteemed at 15 cents the 4th of June 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense. Sought clarification on some pressing issues. What essentially is momentary cost expectation for Algorand? Generally is ALGO a wise speculation, which certainly is genuinely huge. Ends Algorand market most certainly gives a bullish indications. And bulls can fundamentally push ALGO sort of higher in the approaching meetings. Pretty further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13.